today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a constant contact email as a PDF. This is a useful skill if you want to archive your emails for future reference or share a campaign with someone who doesn't have access to your constant contact account. First, log into your constant contact account. Once you are in, go to Marketing, then select Email. This is where all your campaigns are stored. If you have multiple emails, scroll or use the search bar to find the specific campaign you want to save as a PDF. Once you've found the correct email, hover over it. Some options should appear, such as a download or print option. You will recognize it either by 3 vertical dots or a printer icon depending on your version. Click on this icon and a small menu will appear. From the options, select PDF. This ensures your email is saved in a universally accessible format that's easy to open, share, or print later. After selecting PDF, click the download button. The file will likely be saved in your computer's downloads folder, so make sure it's easy to access. You might see a quick notification that the download has started or completed. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder to confirm the file is there. Open the PDF to make sure everything looks correct and retains the original format and content from Constant Contact. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Constant Contact email as a PDF. This process makes it easy to store, share, or print your campaigns whenever you need.